Anyway, I did some investigation in Curacao. Some people pronounce it with a C, but in their country they pronounce it with a K. But because me realized me want to know who I was dealing with the woman we then called Dirty 13. So I have been doing some investigation on the ground and doing some investigation to see who she is and what she have and her characteristic, because I want to hear it from the horse's mouth. So I make sure that we do some research and get an understanding, and we get to people on the ground. As I must, me must tell you, Dirty 13, you are considered in Curacao as one of the women in the bottomless pit house, shit house. And I was told not to answer you because you know word if you call nobody name. Listen to me very carefully, and this is a true, living, God Almighty investigation. I was told she is the worst of the worst in that country. And she have 3 kids in that country, and she gave away all 3 of them. She don't live nowhere. She's staying with a friend. And every day she got the casino or play and gamble. I did my investigation. She's nobody. She don't have nothing. She catch people yard, and she don't have no documentation to ever go back to Jamaica. If she go back to Jamaica, she can't come back to Curacao because she's illegal. And yes, it is definitely confirmed. She have a big sore foot we cannot get better. And she's considered the worst. The same way she behave on social media are the same way she behave in the country. She not nobody. So I am coming up here arguing with one piece of dirty shit house woman. Nothing she not have. 3 pitney she have, and she give away the 3 of them in the country. She not have them. She gave away all 3 of them. And you come up here, I have the nerve. I talk about me and my son when you have 3 pitney in that country and give them away. Like a dark copy. And live in a gambling house. Me not ready to reveal them. I also have video of her in the gambling house and pictures. You fuck are you? You ain't nobody. So I don't have to talk to you. Because you're a piece of shit house. The bottomless pit. So when you give her no money, she sit her big ugly ass right there on the casino and gamble every motherfucking day. That's why she's so desperate and behaving something, because she take the money to the casino. You want me to reveal the casino name and number? Me no need to argue with you. Me no need to answer your argue with you. You come pan soldier and a boss bow pitney. And you give away your 3 pitney where you have like a dark puppy. And you come up here and I talk about me and my son, where me and his daddy raised up until today day. And anything him want from us, him get it. And you come and give away your 3 pitney where you have in the island. And I stay with people. And you come attack. Come show us where you live, if you think about it. Come show us where you live. Come show us where you live, bitch. Drancro. Them say she's the bottomless Drancro colony. The bottomless Drancro. Not even a Drancro toenail. Me say she's the bottomless Drancro. And come on social media and interview people? Huh? And have you catched people up there? You have you catched people? I mean no catch a girl yet. So oh then come a chat and I go like she a put food in a me pot. And you have to catch a warm country. Huh? And live in a casino. Can't show it. Catch a one woman yard. And that Cassie, me say she them say she vulgar. Them say the dirtiest woman down there. Them say when she talk to people, she talk to you, so cuss up your bad what them man are going. So the woman is a blood clot. Nobody. Have 3 pitney and give away 3 pitney. Tell her if you can show her 3 pitney, take a picture and show her 3 pitney them. Tell her to take a picture and show her 3 pitney. Tell her to take a picture of her 3 children if she thinks she ras bad. And show them up on a video side her. Who have the 3 pitney? You give away 3 pitney like a puppy dog. And cut up people yard and come on social media behave so. Get the fuck off of people Facebook and tap more people good up life. Motherfucker. You can't even go back to your own fucking country because you can't take my foot up the kind of paper for the country. The people them say at the bottomless shit house down there. That's exactly what they describe you. So them say you know no class, no whatsoever if you call nobody name. Come and you come up here talk about my chief and you give a few 3 pitney? The 3 pitney where you have down there? You give a 3 of them? Get the fuck out of here. Me not even look for you. Me not even look for you after this, bitch. Me not even look for you. Me not even look for you after this. Me not even look for you after this. Me not ask you. Yeah? You give away 3 pitney them like a blood clot puppy dog. And enough of them out there when immigration I come fear run and hide. And you come on social media. Come on social media have the biggest mouth. And I catch up people yard. And me have 6 brothers and sisters here. I mean I catch another them yard. Huh? And you come on social media tell people and give away your fucking pitney them like a blood clot puppy dog. Give away her 3 pitney where she have in her country. The only one them where she must talk must have the one them at Jamaica. It's 3 of them should give away. Come tell the people them we get 3 pitney there. We have down in her country. Workless dot and you have a nerve come up here call me workless and stagnant. And you don't live no way. You catch up people yard.